And, ooh, look at this one. That's pretty, guys. Oh, yes. Love that. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you all so much. Now let's get started. The smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, they are $14.99. And they have the blood pressure monitor upper arm for $24.99. Oh yes, guys, we need all of these. We need both of these. Yes. The pulse oximeter is $14.99. The rechargeable LED flashlight is $9.99. Oh yes, guys, great items. Great items. Okay. The fire extinguisher, it is $16.99. The bamboo drawer dividers, you get 2 per box, but let's see. Yes, you get 2 per box, and they are really nice, guys. They're really heavy. Not flimsy at all. And they are $9.99. The 30-pack velvet touch hangers, they're $9.99. So these are the hangers, which is a great deal, guys. Yes. Okay. Waterproof fire safe is $24.99. Ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, $19.99. It comes in blue and white, and it also comes in purple and white. Canvas totes, they are $6.99. So we know how this goes. We get 1 large one, or we get 2 small or medium ones. So yes, we get 2 small ones, 1 large one for $6.99 each. And these are the only patterns that I see, guys, which is really beautiful. The embossed microfiber sheets, they are $14.99. Oh yes. So I see queen, I only see queen, guys. Over the door contemporary hooks, $9.99. They have them in black, white, and stainless steel. It's a bit crowded, guys, so bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, the bamboo collapsible baskets, they're $9.99. So this is the basket. Nice wood trim. Yeah, lightweight. Very nice though. The comfort cushions for $19.99. Deluxe memory foam, multi-layer design, non-slip bottom, relieves lower back and tailbone pressure. Machine washable cover and portable design. Oh yes, and this right here, OMG, the Decorative Ottoman for $14.99. How cute is this, guys? Oh my goodness, how cute. They have this one, they have the black and cream, and they also have all cream. Isn't it cute? Oh, love this. 1 for me, please. Maybe 2. Okay. The 6-piece comforter and coverlet sets, they're $39.99. So give you a look at this one, which is this blue and white with orange and a little cream. And this one, really pretty. It comes with the comforter, the 2 shams, the coverlet, and the square shams. Okay. And those are the only 2 patterns that I see for $39.99. The wire baskets, They are $9.99. And I think we only have an option of one and not like one or two. You know how they have them? You can get one large one and two small ones. I only see the large ones. They all are black with a really nice handle on each side. Really, really, really pretty sheen on this black here. Yes, and the price is over here, but I did see it for $9.99. Okay, is the incredible washable rug. It is a 2x6 runner for $19.99. So this is one. And then there's a pattern right there. That's as far as I can go, guys, because they're packed in there really tight. Okay, they also have these, the 5x7 area rugs for $49.99. They come in this little carrying case, which is really convenient. I like that. You can always store it back in that if you don't want it out. I like that. Ladies 4-piece pajama set. It comes in size small, medium, large, extra large, and XXL. $13.99. So this is one. So cute. It has the 2 tops and 2 bottoms. One of the bottoms is going to be the shorts and the pants. Okay. They also have this pattern. And they have this one. Really, really cute. I think this is my favorite color, my favorite pattern. They also have this pattern with the pink. Okay. Ladies faux leather or seamless leggings for $9.99. Size small, medium, large, and extra large. These are nice. Comfort fit. Tummy, waist, and leg smoothing. Okay. Oh, we like that. Feels pretty soft. Okay. And oh my goodness, I did not know they were going to have cardigans this week. Ladies long cardigan sweaters, size small through extra large. The small is a size 4 through 6. The medium is size 8 through 10. The large is 12 through 14. And the extra large is size 16 through 18. And they're $14.99. They have this black one with the speckles. And they also have these nice pockets. And they have this one. Oh, this one is really cute. I like this one. And this one. So we have 3 different colors. Isn't that cute? Love that. Okay. And oh my goodness, I cannot believe what I'm seeing. Look at this. Can you believe these energy-saving window curtains? Only $9.99. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. They are 84 in length and they are, like I said, energy-saving. And these are really, really nice, guys. Only $9.99. It's a 42 by 84. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So they have it in this color, which is the cream with a little gold and brown mixed in, and this one. Oh my goodness. $9.99. 2 for me, please. Okay. So, moving on down, here are the ladies' faux fur line booties. $9.99, guys. Man, they're giving them away, right? Okay, so here's one pair here. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Nice, nice. Oh yes, love that one. It is really nice. It is so heavy. Not too heavy, but heavy enough. Okay. And, ooh, look at this one. That's pretty, guys. Oh, yes. Love that. And they also have the black. So they have the plum, the black, and the gray. Nice. And I think they go from size 7 through 10, if I'm not mistaken, guys. 7 through 10. And the ladies' faux fur line booties for $9.99 here at Aldi. Okay, now we have the children booties, and they are $9.99 as well. This one says 13/1. Let's see here. Oh, how cute. Oh, yes. The little stripes on the side is so cute. So they have that one. Then they have this one. And they have that purple one. So right here by Huntington Home is a shoe rack for $7.99. It holds up to 14 pairs of shoes. Okay. I need this because the one I have at home is so flimsy. Oh my goodness, I get tired of the bars falling down. So this one is much, much better than the one I have. $7.99 and it holds 14 pairs of shoes. Oh yes. Automatic umbrellas. They are only $4.99, guys. These are really nice. Now here are all of the different patterns. They have 5 different patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This looks like it's brown, but it's like a green. It's green, not brown. That one. The handles are so smooth. Really, really smooth. Okay. The stainless steel straw lid bottles. They are $6.99. It comes in this really pretty blue, purple. This is like it looks white. It looks white, but it looks like it could have a little blue in it as well. So I don't know if they maybe you're just calling it white, but it looks like it's something else. This undertone is in this one. Let's see. Yes, these are the 3 colors that I see. To the magnetic tiles for $9.99. Now I think they had these on last week. Glow in the dark. Magni bills. I think they had these on last week, guys, for $9.99. Yes. The Squishmallows, they are, let's see, they're $7.99. And then they have the shoes, the slippers, for $8.99. $8.99 for these and $7.99 for the plush. The Ultra Cozy Knit Throw is $19.99. Luxuriously Soft Hand Feel. Oh, okay. I think this was last week also. The twin sheet sets for $9.99. This pattern. This pattern. And this one. Not bad for $9.99. Not bad at all for $9.99. Okay, the quilt set, you get a 2-piece for, I do not see the price of the quilt set here, but you get a 2-piece, and they have this pattern, yes. And they also have these from last week, which is the pop-up playhouse. So cute, for $14.99. They have this one in the purple, the blue, the gray, and green. Yes, $14.99. Bamboo garment rack. It is only $29.99. Love that. And then they have the bamboo hamper here for $14.99. Okay, I'm glad I've seen that. So yes, bamboo on the hamper for $14.99, and the garment rack is $29.99. They also have another item over here, which is this rectangular storage ottoman for $19.99. They have it in black, brown, and what other color? Gray. Black, brown, and gray. And here are the dimensions on the ottoman. Love, love, love. Now, if you guys didn't see these on last week, this was in my last week haul, my last week video here at Aldi. And this is a side table. It is white with the natural wood legs for $39.99. Okay. And they also have the kids table and stools for $39.99. It is a 5-piece set. Yeah. They still have some of their Aldi Gear here. Oh, yes. So the stainless steel travel mugs, where is the price? Okay. The hoodie sweatshirt is $12.99. Let's see. The canvas slip-ons, they are $8.99. The backpacks, they are $9.99. The beanies, they're $3.99. I'm not sure about these cups, guys. I'm not sure how much they are, but I'm thinking they're like $4.99 or $5.99. Yes. I'll give you a closer look on the slippers. And I did go over all these pieces on last week's video. So if you want to take a peek at that, it will be in that last video. All of Aldi's gears. Okay. So it's time for me to do my walk back. Oh yes. So let me show you guys what my picks are for this week. My first pick is going to be this shoe rack. It holds up to 14 pairs of shoes for only $7.99, guys. The automatic umbrella for $9.99. And oh my goodness, the energy saving window curtains, $9.99, guys. Ah, can't believe it. 42 by 84 on those. These beautiful comforter sets, they're only $39.99. I'm loving the black racks here, wire baskets. I'm not sure about the price on these, but love, love, love. Oh my goodness, I passed the Booties. The ladies' faux fur lined booties. Oh yes, $9.99. I'll take the plum. Nice. And oh my goodness, the Decorative Ottoman. $15, guys. $14.99. Can't beat it. Love these. The bamboo collapsible basket for $9.99. Yes, on that one. And yes, the smoke alarm is $14.99. The blood pressure monitor is $24.99. The pulse oximeter is $14.99. Love all of these. Yes, yes, and yes. I'll throw this comfort cushion in by Easy Homes for $19.99. Yes. Well, all right, friends. That's it today here at Aldi in their new finds section. Everything I went over is what they have for new finds. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next one.